Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so what I'm trying, well, chase, now, right? Oh, I was that chase.
Yeah, Jess, the guy who started.
Okay. So, guy who started, okay? It
Okay,
you want to read? So this is your GWS, sorry, GWS guy who started. This is your SNR
okay,
line, right? Okay.
yes, okay,
So if the prices came like this, the soldier defended, right? Then I can, you know, if the soldier defended, right, defended the
yes,
price, again, soldier,
first line
they
defense.
yes, they are, they win the war, right? They win the war.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So, so actually they manage the war, right? So that's
okay,
why it means they are king and minister, right? They are safe.
okay, yes, correct.
When ministers and king they're threatened by opposite, opposite party, right?
Yeah,
Then you
okay,
then you have to understand your SNR or your soldier
okay,
so weak. They are
yes,
they
correct.
so they don't have any power or they don't have any confidence or you can say confidence power, right? So they don't want
Yes,
to
yes,
fight. They are not able to fight there with them, right?
okay, okay,
It's
okay,
mean that country is very weak
okay, 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 correct.
from the defense sector, right? Defense
Yes, yes,
department. And it's mean the momentum in the sense of trading momentum, they're trying, right? So they're making
yeah,
channel kind of things, right? Paper pullback
yeah,
channel.
yeah,
The
okay, okay, okay,
momentum is dying. It means on the upper side, the opposite party sellers, they are pushing the buyers, pushing down the buyers. They're
okay,
losing the
okay, okay,
momentum, right? So that is the analogy. I think it's not correct. I think if when I'm not able to understand to you and you are getting it, so so the
okay,
other thing is then
okay,
so that way actually in the real life, if you understand the real life, okay,
okay,
so real life experience happened in the trading market,
okay,
right?
okay.
My real life example actually happened. There is a nature rule, right? If you
Come again?
understand, yeah, that is the nature rule. If you understand the nature,
Yes, yes,
if you
okay,
understand the
okay,
nature rule, then you will understand what is, whatever is happening in your life or in the world. So there is, cause. There is cause, right?
okay, okay,
So, so that's it. You know, um, so I told you, so, GWS and SNR, right? When the SNR is respected,
yeah,
it means their power, maintained. Simple word.
yes, okay,
The power is
okay,
maintained. When the SNR is scratched down, it doesn't mean the salary
okay,
will come. So it means the momentum is dying. When the GW is killed out, it doesn't mean also the salary will come. Right.
okay, okay, okay,
If the GW is killing out and with the so volume, right? It's when
okay,
at the support area, the volume is getting stronger, right? So you have to see on
okay,
the next buyers, in if the pro back happened and the buyers came very weak, it's when
yeah,
uh it's when it's the buyers momentum, buyers getting out and the sellers will come, right?
yes, correct, correct,
Same here. Suppose this is the your GWS, right? And this is your GWS, sorry, GWS killing out, right? Exactly. When they're killing out, the first try they failed, and the second try they
yeah,
failed. But the first try, how they failed? They failed by choppiness from the sellers mode, right? When the
okay,
next time sellers came, they also came very choppy. It's mean for
yes,
sometimes buyers where buyers is not there for sometimes, and after the when they are getting the price, okay, a good price, then they accept this price, and then the movies came very hot, right? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now the volume transfer, right? So actually,
Yeah.
this is actually, if you see, the how the road story is reading, right?
Okay.
How you read the story. So that's it, because your attempt by the sellers first time, okay, yeah, failed. Also second time they fail, right? So from this, on the when you see the lot of data, and if you see that the gaps, right, the gaps when that buyers, going up like this and coming down like.
What do you mean by gap? You mean between one pivot point to next pivot point? Is
Yes,
it?
yes, yes. Because here
Okay.
this is a extreme low point, extreme high point. In the low point, in these three
Okay.
points, there is a gap, right? If there is a gap, if there is a little bit gap, it's mean, so this time frame is belongs to higher time frame.
I didn't understand, sir. But the gap part I didn't understand properly.
Okay, I'm just okay. Wait. I'm explaining it in that way.
Yeah.
So at the initial time, I also got confused, right? But now it's very clear. Now
Okay.
I'm giving you a different example, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Suppose, okay, I'm drawing right here. Suppose this is afternoon, right? Okay.
Okay.
See my that drawing, right? This is afternoon, right? Okay, afternoon is going on. Then support,
Okay.
right? Not able to go up, not able to go up, and then breakdown, right? This is a
Okay.
support broke. This is support broke down, right? Now also
Okay.
no failed, and also failed, and then buyers came, right? And the trap happened, and this from that area again buyers came, right? So
Okay.
here you see a lot of swing, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, right? And the
Yeah. Yeah.
lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And if I see just one way, let me
Ah.
just
Okay. 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 I think I
if
understand now.
if I see just one way, so now tell me, this is your 1 hour time frame, right? Sorry.
Okay.
This yellow line is the uh your daily time frame, right?
Okay.
And this red
Red color.
line is your 60-minute time frame, or to 40, right? Whatever.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
To 40 you will not see that kind of gap, but 60 minutes you will see big gaps, right?
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Okay.
the gap is forming, right?
The gap is forming means there are so many legs.
So many lakes also, they traveled from here to here and then came down and again going up, right? So they are traveling
Okay.
lot. 60-minute time frame,
Okay.
I mean to say, on the 60-minute time frame, suppose
Mm-hmm.
if this is I am I can show you as a candle, right? On the daily time frame.
Okay.
This is your green candle.
Okay.
This is your red candle. Okay.
Okay.
And this is your green candle. Now tell me,
Okay.
I just want me to just now tell me,
Okay.
on the daily time frame, how many candles you are seeing?
Three candles.
And now tell me, on the 1 hour time frame, how much candle you are seeing?
24 times 3. So many candles, sir.
It's been 24 into 3.
Yeah.
Let multiply, calculate this, right? Okay.
Okay.
24 into 3. It means you are seeing 72 candles.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So when you are seeing on the 1 hour time frame, you are seeing 72 candles of 3 days dead data,
Yes. Okay.
right? It's when
Okay.
when you see the daily time frame, you are concise the data. You squeeze the data of the 72
Yes.
candles,
Okay. 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 Okay.
right? When you
Okay.
again going 60-minute time frame, you are seeing expanded data.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's why that's why I told you on the 1 hour time frame when this candle forming happened 72 candles. So in between you see a lot of gaps.
And the gap you're telling is empty space.
Yes, the gap is. No, I mean, I'm not telling you on that way in empty space. I mean, you see the 1 hour time frame, the 6 month time frame. There's a lot of data, right? When the uptrend is
Okay. Okay.
happening and also the downtrend is happening, right?
Okay.
Right. In this in this green candle, in this red candle, so do you see any kind of uptrend and downtrend?
No.
But on the 1 hour time frame, 6 month time frame, you are seeing uptrend and downtrend, right?
Yes. Correct.
So that's
Correct.
I want to that's it. I just wanted to tell you, right? So
Okay.
you are see that
Okay.
so you are seeing the trend in the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame there is no trend in the candle.
Okay. 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 Understand now.
You understand, bro?
Understand. Yes. Yes. Understand. So that means if where you see the trend, there is the owner, is it?
Sorry, bro. Can you tell me again?
That means which time frame you are seeing the trend develop, that is the owner, is it, sir?
Owner of the trend, right? Right. So
Okay.
so Manab, you just want to know the owner of the trend. When to see the trend, right?
Okay.
Suppose you are on 1 hour time frame, so you don't know this trend who is owning on the 4 hour owning or daily
Okay.
owning, right?
Okay.
That's a question, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Now, my sir, explain first. Let me see.
So now this is a daily time frame candle. So did you see the candles, the overlay candle, green, green, red, red?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So now tell me, this is the daily time frame candle, right? So this candle, and daily time frame candle, right? Okay.
Okay.
So now tell me, so there is from 11 date from the 19 date. So how many days is there? 8 days, right?
It's okay.
8 days. So how many candles
Okay.
you are seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, right? It's
Eight,
forming right now.
eight candle. Okay.
Yes. So now if you see the candles,
Okay.
so you are seeing candles like this now, red and green, right? You are seeing like this.
Okay. Okay.
So you are seeing on the form of candles. You are seeing on the form of candles. Just
Okay.
visualize the daily. So this is a daily time frame candle, right? So this is the one
Okay.
candle
Okay.
on the daily time frame, right? This is
Okay.
also one candle daily time frame. This is one candle daily time frame, right? Right. So
Okay.
on the daily time frame, if you see on the eight candles of the daily time frame, so you are simply see that is kind of you can say afternoon, right?
Okay. Okay.
Let me clear your 1 minute daily time frame, right? So you see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So you are seeing that kind of data, right?
Okay.
One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the 8 candle, right? On the daily time frame,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me clear on this time on this area, right? NJT. Bro, you have to visualize, right? You have to visualize what I'm.
Okay.
And if you master this knowledge now, then
Mm-hmm.
you don't have any problem in future.
Okay.
You,
Okay.
you
Okay.
will see what is happening going on daily or on hour.
Okay. Okay.
This is it will be getting sense for you. It should have it. Right, so I am drawing from your right.
Okay.
So the line starts from here, right? On this blue line.
Okay.
The line start from this blue line, right? This is the
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also there is
Okay.
8 days on the 1 hour time frame, right?
Okay.
Now tell me what you understanding from here.
What I understand from here is in the 1 hour, I can see clearly what the market is trying to do.
Okay.
Okay, in the daily time frame, I only can see there is a buy, very strong buy move, and it's a pullback starting, and then the buyers coming back again.
Okay. So now tell me when you are seeing eight data, right? 8 candles, right? You are seeing 8 candles.
Okay.
So on the daily time frame, did you see any kind of story and the behind? What is happening?
Mm.
Is it a downtrend? Is it uptrend? So do you understand?
No, no story. Cannot understand the
But
story.
but on the 1 hour time frame, you are getting understand what is going on,
Yes, correct.
right?
So the owner
Oh,
is 1 hour.
sorry.
So the owner is 1 hour, sir. Is it correct?
No, I'm not there right now. No, who is the owner? So I will
Okay.
come later, right? So actually, what is the
Okay.
meaning of
Okay.
owner? So
Okay.
I'm just going to try to showing you. So what is the difference you are showing on this
Okay.
daily and on this 1 hour time frame? So on the daily time frame, you are not, you don't know what the story behind it. Is it counted or is it uptrend, right?
Yes, correct. Okay.
Right. But on the 1 hour
Yeah.
time frame, you see a lot of data. You see a lot of data. So from this
Yeah.
lowest point, this highest point, you are seeing this uptrend, and it's a little bit downtrend, then it's going again, it's going uptrend, right?
Yes, correct.
So
Okay.
you can enter here, right? So I will tell you
Yeah.
why, how. But
Okay.
if it's on the daily time frame, so you will not be very confident. So here, this area will be my buying point, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So,
Okay.
uh, so that's why I just want to show you actually, Manoj. So that is the gaps. On the lower time frame, you see big gaps, and these gaps. So do you see here?
Okay. And the big gaps
These
is actually giving you more data to understand what the market is telling.
yes, these. So this is the gaps, right?
Okay.
I'm drawing here from here, right? Okay. So these gaps I'm drawing you, right? I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Let me- let's see. Let's look. So now tell me, uh,
Okay.
these huge gaps, right? And you see
Yeah.
these small
Okay.
gaps, right? So
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to show when you see the big gaps, right? So
Okay.
in instantaneously or instantly you have to understand. So these gaps is forming on the bigger time frame. There's a daily time frame. This gap is belongs to daily time frame.
Oh, okay.
Now you are asking me now, you are when to see single candle like candle and when to see lot of data, right? Right.
Okay.
When you know the story on the 1 hour time what is going on, then you can see the candle by candle,
Okay.
right? You know, uh, actually, if you so no, you watch the Ali videos, right? Ali
Not
UMP.
yet, sir. Not yet. Now I'm still Lucas UMP.
Okay, after the Lucas MP, you will see the Ali UMP. Ali UMP actually clearly saying you what is the gaps meaning.
Okay, sir. Now,
Now, now
maybe
also you are now confused because you were first time you were hearing right this
yeah.
kind of concept. When you repeatedly second time you will be watching this concept
Okay.
from the Ali videos, then you will be clear, right?
Yes, correct. But now roughly I understand, but no full understanding.
Okay, yeah, I understand. So
Okay,
because
okay,
on the single candle, okay, when to see single candle and when to see a lot of data, so that's
Mhm.
the explanation from the early only very clearly,
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
right?
Okay.
So it's actually meaning um, also perform video if you see if you watch so then you can Naveen also telling that a lot of data and
Okay.
candle by candle data, right? So you will understand from there. Yeah. So it
In,
is.
in the
So it
in
is.
the prop video, is it, sir?
Yes, perform video. Yes.
Okay.
But before that you have to clear out the price primary secondary. It means trap and release. The Lucas
Okay,
Lucas
okay.
the Lucas told you na of the trap and
Yeah,
release,
yeah.
right? And there is also
Yes.
if you was on the 17 videos from the Naveen, so he also explained primary and secondary, right? So those are same
17
things.
video is what video, sir?
On the Lucas video, on the Lucas video folder, you
Okay.
you will see
On the 17th video.
17 number video, right? 17 number Naveen,
Okay.
Naveen teaches from the 2 hours, right? For the 2 hours,
Okay.
eh, everything he clears about. Trend, when to see
Okay.
trend, overextendedness, displacement, all the things they explain. Now tell me,
Okay.
now bro, tell me
Okay.
if this is your uptrend, right? Right. Now
Okay.
I'm drawing, I'm drawing here, right? See my
Okay.
drawing, right? This is your higher
Okay.
low, higher high, higher low, right, higher high. Now you see on the candle formation, right? If I remove this data, right? So
Okay.
you are kind of on the candle, right? In the candle move, you
Mm-hmm.
see three candles, right? Three candles.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see on
Okay.
those three candles, right? So you see there is one candle, one day candle, there's a 24 candles, right? So here to here 24 candles, here to here 24 candles, here to here 24 candles, right? So the first
Okay.
day 24 candles, very strong moment. Second
Okay.
day, the
Okay.
momentum is slow. And third day, momentum is exhausted.
Okay.
Understand, bro? So
Yes,
on
understand, sir.
the on the candle view, on the single
Mm-hmm.
candle view, right? So it is explains the candlestick
Mm.
behavior, right? And
Yes.
if you go deeper into lower time frame, then you will understand
Mhm.
how this momentum is forming. The single green candle, the one green candle happened, right? You will see on the real time frame.
Okay.
But if you go into lower time frame, you see so how the buyers are going, right? The buyers,
Yes.
strong, then little bit pull back, then strong, little bit pull back, then again strong, then little bit pull back, then again
Yes.
strong buyers. So that is the way buyers moves in the momentum,
Okay.
right? So then you will getting
Yes.
sense. So you will not getting sense on this on single candle, momentum, right? So you don't know
Mhm.
in this body, right? Inside the body, how the move is happening, right?
Yes. Correct.
when
Correct.
when you go into lower time frame, then you will then you understand my momentum is very strong, right?
Yeah. Correct.
But same as this momentum is very strong. Also, the third candle is the same candle, like if you see the same body, same candle, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But why this red candle engulf this candle and not and after that why not come in the next red candle and engulf these buyers also? Why?
Because here the buyers already try one time here and they fail. They come down back. Again, this fella try, unable to make higher high or slightly higher high, and then fail and come down.
Yes, but why? But if you see on this daily time frame, suppose you don't know, so suppose you are not seeing this 1 hour time frame, you are seeing just on a daily time frame, right? You see this
Okay.
candle is very strong and this candle also very strong. But why this
Okay.
candle not holding this SNR support, but this candle now holding these sellers? My question is that why? Because if you go into one hour time frame, I just showing you right.
Mhm.
This is the first candle, right? And if you see the
Okay.
data, right? If you see data into data, right? See the blue line
Okay.
horizontal, right? And see
Okay.
my cursor, right?
Okay. Okay.
This is your starting point of green candle, right? Opening point,
Okay.
right? So when these buyers
Okay.
going up very hot, but after that,
Okay.
they are not able. So after that, from this support area, buyer has to go up again, make a high, right? It has
Yes.
to go
Okay.
up. But from that
Yeah.
area, support area, multiple times buyers trying to go up, but that's failed.
Okay. Okay.
So it means on this weak area, this
Okay.
range happened. This range happened, right? So
Oh, okay.
when you see the reaction on this week, so you are confirmed. So there is sellers supply on the left side. So next candle will not be green. Next candle will be the red candle because
Oh,
this
okay.
momentum dying out.
Okay. 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 And why price stop there, sir? Why did the price stop here, you said?
Well,
Uh
yeah,
here. Wait, yeah, yeah. You
yeah.
said price stop. Yeah, why price
Uh,
stop there?
because if you see from this point and this point, how the buyer is going.
Very strong.
Okay. And how the buyer is next going
A bit
in
a
the
bit
momentum. Weak,
weaker,
right?
a bit slower, a bit slower.
Okay. So when and the last, how the buyer is going.
Uh strong but not able to make a clear high.
Not able to make high. Also, the move is not as the first one,
Yes, correct.
right? So it
Yeah.
means from this area, if you see the it has to support a certain area, but it came back price very deep.
Yes, correct.
That generally happen again. Same price deep, right? It's in the there is
Yeah.
channel happen, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And if you see on the range happen also.
Okay.
It's when whenever channel or range happen, it means this is the sign the momentum dying.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When the momentum is dying, so where the sellers will find sorry when
Okay.
so where the buyers will find again their support, this momentum area, because on the this left side there is a SNR area.
Oh, okay. 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 Okay.
This is the
Understand.
range happen, then pull back, then again going up,
Okay. 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 Okay.
right?
Yeah.
How many profit is going on? Let's see. Oh, 10,000,
I
right?
know.
And someday you will notice, someday I will have this kind of profit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
And on USD, right? And I manifest,
Yeah.
and I manifest every time.
Yeah, sir, that is very good amount, lah, sir. 10,000 USD.
Already, I know I write it down every day. Not every day, just
Ah,
I just wrote down on my notebook, right? So already
ah,
I have in my pocket or in my bank 1 share.
ah. Okay,
So
okay, okay.
I'm thinking I 1 share, right? And then
Okay,
one day it
okay,
will
okay.
come. So that is the
Yes, yes, correct.
that is the manifestation practice.
Okay, okay, okay.
See, where is my entry? The entry was a bit late, suppose, and
Yes.
no one enter here, bro. Sorry, no, yes, no one enter here, bro, at the late, but I entered. And I know the momentum is starting from here because this is a brand new leg starting and the sellers trap. right? It's a volume transfer, right? Okay, volume, there is a volume transfer concept, right? Okay. So
Okay.
when this,
Okay.
this, not able to make any value, right? And these, sellers from the resistance area, and there is the support area, and the sellers came down like this way, right? And again,
Okay.
there is a support broken down resistance, right? And also there is
Okay.
support broken resistance, right? So there is a lower
Okay.
low happening, but this is the inside reaction. Inside reaction. This is not a when if the move break, break, if the candle body break like this, so that will be outside. That will be the boss break of structure,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When the move is happen like this, and then the high broken out, again support taken from the SNR and again going a high and breakout. So there will be breakout structure, right?
Okay.
Right. Because they are making
Okay.
high and high. But here, but there
Yes.
is no making lower low, right? So there,
Yeah.
this move is is happening inside the range, not the outside the range.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Understand. Okay.
When the inside is happening, if I'm retail trader, if I'm seeing this kind of data, so what I'm seeing is a downtrend
Yes.
because I don't know the ranges. I don't see any kind of data.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I'm seeing this is a downtrend. So that's why
Yes.
when this support is broken, I took salvation here. When the support is broken, I took salvation here. When the support is broken, I took salvation here. Right. Okay, because I
Okay.
don't know the momentum. I don't observe the momentum because momentum is drying out.
Okay.
Right, momentum like this.
Okay.
Last
Okay.
one.
Okay. So we dying. Okay.
Okay, momentum. So if you're seeing momentum, so it's already you have to aware. So you have to stop the selling. You have to wait when this, you know, sellers stop
Like
loss, breakout happen or stop loss kicked out, right? Then you will you are preparing to get in buying position, right? But you know
okay.
the all the structure of the story, you know what to do, but the retail trader don't know. So that's why they heavily sell here. They heavily sell here, right? And when this heavily sell here, right? So they are they are in the position, and the next moment the price went up, right? So
Okay.
and this seller, whoever put in the SL, their SL hit, and
Okay.
who don't keep the SL on the system. They have the mind SL.
Uh-huh.
So their
Okay.
account blowing up, right? So
Oh,
they're
oh,
panicked.
okay. Okay.
They are panicked. When they
Okay.
are
Okay.
panicked, they little bit price came down. When the price came down, suppose I'm selling here, so my price, you know, showing this much loss. Now the loss will come down and break even. So I panically got
Okay.
out.
Okay.
When
Okay. Correct.
when everyone is got out, so the selling pressure,
Okay.
the exiting pressure is released. It means the opposite buying pressure is coming, right. So for that the
Okay.
price move up.
So the volume transfer from the sellers to the buyers.
Yes, this volume
Oh,
exactly, because
okay.
the
Okay. Okay.
volume
Okay.
when the volume is happening, creating. I told you this before, right? So the it
Mm-hmm.
transaction happen buyer sellers. If anyone sell, then opposite side there's buying, right?
Yes.
So
Correct.
from this here, so someone's buying, someone's selling, but someone's selling where? At the end leg,
SNR.
at the end,
Yes. Okay. 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 Okay.
at the end, and
End
at the
of the
over
range.
end of the range or end of the trend. You can see the trend, right?
Yes.
End of
Okay.
the range trend, right? So
Okay.
they are
Okay.
late.
Okay.
So obviously
Okay.
they are stupid and they are buying. They are very smart, right? So they know this is the
Okay.
support. So we are accumulating early, right?
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
that's
Okay.
why this volume transfer to the buyers
Uh-huh.
from the sellers.
Oh, okay. 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 I understand. I understand now.
Listen, bro.
Yes. 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 I understand, sir.
So that is
So
the concept.
the volume transfer happens at the release area, lah, right, sir? Correct or not?
Volume area. Sorry, volume area.
Volume transfer happens at the release area.
Yes, yes. Wherever the last trap it happened, right? Last time what happened,
Okay,
price
okay,
will come that area to be released. Because
okay,
why price come to the release area, trap area? Because suppose I know all time always you think always as a as you took the position and you are stuck in the position. So how you come out
oh, okay, okay, okay,
from the losing position, right? Suppose you're this
okay,
uptrend, and you late party that you lately come, then you support that you enter the position right here, and then
okay,
you're hoping to make high, but not able to make high. Again came down, again going up, again came down, and broke down. Suppose you keep the
okay,
SL, your SL hit. Okay, okay.
okay,
But suppose you are a beginner,
okay,
you are very panic, you want to be right. I know market has to
okay,
go up. Okay,
okay, okay,
uh, if the price not broken down support, suppose from this area price will go up. Right? So it will
mm,
it will one day come back, but you
okay,
don't know
okay,
when it will come back. But one day will come back. One day it means
okay,
from after 1 year or after 10 years. You don't know, right? So that's why,
okay, okay,
that's why you don't keep SL here on the system, but you have the SL in your
mm,
mind. Suppose in the
okay,
price, like coming down, coming down, very choppy, very choppy. So at this moment, the buyers or the beginner buyers say that they don't know what to do. It would be good decision to go out or I will stay here.
yes, correct.
So he will be your his
Dilemma.
mind is saying and his mind is saying stay here and his trading account is saying get out. So there is two kind of decision, right? So
Yeah,
when these
okay,
like moves happen, then they panic.
okay.
Then they
Ah,
actually he has to get out this level these prices and lastly they exited that prices
okay, okay, okay.
panically, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes, yes.
panically.
Correct.
And suppose, suppose price come like this, and price, going up and going up, going up, and your losing position is there, then your losing positions, reduce and you are break even. Suppose,
Okay,
okay. Now,
okay,
when you
okay.
are break even, so on that
Mm-hmm.
situation, you will think to get out, or you will think I am right. I told you, well, no price will come back. It will make high then. So on that time, what thinking your comes your mind? You will be
I
exit
will
or
try
you will
to, I won't exit lah. Normally, I will wait longer, wait
yes,
more lah.
because you are seeing this is a pro, right? And from the second you will be
Yes,
buying
yes.
up. But already you
Yeah.
don't know your GW is killed out.
Okay, okay, okay.
Already all the buyers going gone, right?
Okay,
So
okay, okay, okay.
So how could you very, confidence these buyers will come? Sometimes come, sometimes not come. But when the sometimes buyers
Correct.
come, when? Because this is the beginning of the trend, this is a pro back, then you can participate there. When you are, on the, long, on the overextended buyers area, right? So
Okay,
you are
okay.
making mistakes. So
Understand, understand.
you have to know the context. What is the context?
Mm-hmm,
Is
mm-hmm.
this context
Okay,
my buying will be good or not?
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, bro. Actually, meeting is will be over in after a few seconds. So I think
Okay,
it's enough
okay.
to take as a learning. I just practice this.
Yes, 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 correct. I have to watch the video again, sir.
Okay, I think hopefully it is clear whatever you have doubt,
Yes,
right?
yes. Correct, correct. I understand that better.
So I'm sending you videos. You just watch it, right?
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, for your time.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. And it's grateful for me.
Yes, yes. I'm also very grateful, sir. You are the only person teaching me all this, sir.
So can
Thanks,
you
thanks.
come? So can you come on the Telegram videos, live
Okay.
video?